Welcome to the Craft Cocktail. I'm Derek. That's Jalitha.
Hi.
And we're gonna make a very simple gin and tonic. And you're gonna make it, and you're gonna do it my way. Which is what her contention was, that you just top your gin and tonic, which is perfectly acceptable.
I thought it was also acceptable to put 5 ounces of gin in. And then
This is true. The recipe that we're using is 2 ounces of gin. So you can put that right in there.
Okay.
Put that right there. You're gonna put that 2 ounces into that glass. We're gonna then squeeze a little lime, that little guy right there, over the gin. Then we're gonna top it with 4 to 5 ounces of tonic water. And we're using Q tonic. Don't use bad tonic. I mean, you can use whatever tonic you want. You can make your own tonic.
This is really good tonic.
This is a good tonic. I like to use a good bitey, what do you call it? Bitey? Bitter?
Bitey?
Bitey's not a word.
Bitey?
Bitey's probably not a word.
Bitter.
Go with bitter.
A lot of quinine.
There's a lot of quinine in there. A good balance of sugar. Sugar in there's a lot of quinine. Or there's a lot of sugar in a tonic, which is something I didn't really understand. This drink is really designed to help prevent malaria. So, back in the day, not now, obviously, but in the 1700s, they would mix tonic. Well, they had tonic, and they tried to consume it, but unlike marketing tonic today, you're not getting nearly the bite that you would get from an original tonic. So put that right here. Yeah, you gotta put that inside.
Well, you need a garnish.
It's garnished.
Yeah, but that looks terrible.
That's not terrible. It's perfect.
Okay. Right here?
Yep. Plus, it'll match the photo that's in the recipe book. That's it. Now, this, originally, that tonic was super bitter. Way too much quinine. But it kills and stops and halts malaria. And then they were like, how do we solve this problem? If we add gin and some lime, it's palatable. Let's see if it's palatable.
Because we can taste it.
Do we have to, can I have a straw? This is a stir and a drink.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
Is it good? I would rather just drink it right out of the glass. But
It's got that bite. I mean, you have to appreciate tonic.
It's yummy. Yeah, but this is, you can taste a lot of the quinine.
You get a quinine bite in the finish. And then you can use whatever your favorite London Dry gin is. You can use a citrus forward gin if you want to. We're using Sapphire East because we just got it and you wanted to try it. So can you taste I mean, you can't tell me that this gin has some crazy, unique, awesome flavors because we used it in here.
Yeah, I can't.
No, it tastes like gin.
It just tastes like gin.
For that, I think you have to try it straight up. Maybe a martini to get the...
It just tastes like gin.
Yeah.
The tonic kind of overpowers it.
You get the gin and the bite and the flavor.
I'm going to smell it, though.
Historically, it's got a lot of historic significance because the gin and tonic was technically designed by a bunch of people who didn't want to die. Do you die from malaria? Probably.
What?
Can you die?
Yes, you can.
There's got to be a reason you...
Did you just ask that?
I've never died from malaria. I don't know.
Yes, you can die from malaria.
I just know it's bad.
I mean, probably not now. But.
No, I know, but like, if there needs to be a reason that somebody needed to stop malaria.
Yes, there's a reason that they needed to prevent it.
Because of death.
Yes.
It's always good to prevent that. So that simple, easy to drink. If you have a glass like the Chicago Highball, you can just add your own tonic. Just top it the way Jalitha would do it. I like to give you proper measures so that you can go with it and be able to make exactly what we did here, taste exactly the same.
Or you can just fill the gin to here and then top it with tonic.
You could.
You could. Then you'd probably taste the gin.
Short night. Yeah, I don't know about the short nights. This, along with 14 other recipes, are in the Easy Gin Cocktails ebook, downloadable below, at-home cocktail menu. That is how we suggest you make a gin and tonic.
Awesome.
I know.